Hi friends, my name is Mrs. McMahon and I'm excited to be your kindergarten teacher this year at Viera Elementary School. Today I'd like to share with you a little bit more about myself, take a look at our beautiful new classroom, and explore our virtual classroom that we'll be using throughout the year. This is my family. I have a 6-year-old son named Liam. He'll be going into the 1st grade here at Viera Elementary. That is my husband, TJ. He loves all things sports, especially football and soccer. And that's our 9-year-old rescue pup. She's a golden doodle named Desi. I love spending time with my family. We get outside as much as we can and explore. I also enjoy coaching baseball with my husband, and I enjoy painting, reading, and I definitely can't pass up a good movie with a big bowl of popcorn. I attended Eau Gallie High School, so I'm a product of the Brevard Public School System. I moved on to graduate with honors from the University of Central Florida, and this is my 16th year with the Brevard Public School System. I truly believe that providing an uncommon experience for students will reward you with an uncommon effort and attitude. As you can see from some of my past classrooms, I love setting the stage to engage. I enjoy dressing up and bringing hands-on, rigorous activities that allow students to explore and discuss and create. This is 5-year-old Mrs. McMahon. My dream was to grow up and become a kindergarten teacher, so as you can see, my dreams come true. I have a passion for teaching. I enjoy watching students grow academically, socially, and emotionally. One of the most important things that a child can take away from my classroom are the social skills needed to become a good citizen. Now we're going to go on a little classroom tour. This is our hallway bulletin board and the theme of our room. This is where we'll display all of our beautiful writing and masterpieces throughout the year. Here's a look at our reading board, our calendar, and our Promethean board, which is a wonderful tool that we can use to engage students in lessons and technology. These are student cubbies. Inside are their green book bins that will house choice books, leveled readers, and right now I have their ELA and math toolkits that I'll be handing out during our kindergarten assessment. Inside of those toolkits are different hands-on activities that we'll use while learning at home this year. This is our classroom library. Not only do we have books, but we have tubs that are filled with Legos and magnets and counting bears, different academic activities that also allow students to develop their fine motor skills. It's another peek at our classroom. And I'm very excited because our classroom has a restroom located inside the room, so students won't have to go too far. Okay, some of the things that I would like for you to look for is an email from me through Sign Up Genius. This will offer you different dates and times to sign up for your child's kindergarten assessment. I have several times available, so please choose the one that works best for your family. When you come to your child's kindergarten assessment, both you and your child will need to wear a mask, and we'll meet in the main lobby before I bring them back to the classroom. They'll get to take a peek at our classroom, and they'll also do some reading and math activities with me before I return them to you. This Thursday between 8 and 9 o'clock is the kindergarten Meet the Teacher time. We'll be located outside of the building, and all the teachers will be under tents, and we're excited to meet you. Be on the lookout for an email invitation for our first class Zoom meeting. This is a great opportunity to practice logging into Zoom before the academic school year begins. I'll be sending you the meeting code, date, and time. Okay, we're also going to check out our virtual classroom. I'm going to include the link in this email so that you and your child can explore it before we begin, but let's take a little peek together. All right. This is our virtual classroom. You might see this character a few times in it. That's going to replicate Mrs. McMahon when we're not learning live. There are also all kinds of different links. Anytime your pointer changes from an arrow to a little pointing finger, that means I've attached a link. It could be a song or a brain break or a lesson or a read aloud. You can explore the different parts of our classroom. For example, if you go to the math room, I have different websites for you to practice skills. I have flashcards and also virtual manipulatives and activities that you can do at home. You can see our reading room has some sight word practice. I included a little brain break in there, and it also has different books that we're reading in class. So you can hear, if you'd like to listen to them again, you can hear an electronic version. Okay, we have our science and social studies room where we're focusing on character traits. We're going to start with 5 senses this year. I also included the links for PebbleGo, which is a great science website, Studies Weekly, which will be our social studies curriculum. And then I have some, it got me off there, it took me to social studies. And then I also have some activities on BrainPop that you can work on as well. So again, this is just to explore. It has lots of resources and I'll be updating it through this school year. All right, friends, I appreciate you guys watching this and I look forward to meeting you. I hope to see you on Thursday. If not, then next week during your kindergarten assessment. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions before then. We're going to have an amazing year. Bye, guys.